Welcome back to RVenture Life. Today, we're taking a full tour of the 2026 Coachmen Apex Nano 190RBS, one of the most popular lightweight travel trailers in the Nano lineup. The 190RBS features a rear bathroom slide-out design that creates an impressive amount of interior space while still remaining easy to tow. One of the biggest advantages of this floor plan is that even with the slide fully closed, you can still access the bathroom, refrigerator, kitchen, and sleeping area without any problem. That makes quick overnight stops, travel breaks, and off-grid camping far more convenient. Add in the factory-installed 400-watt solar system and the right battery setup, and this trailer becomes an excellent choice for campers who enjoy spending time away from hookups. At under 23 feet overall length and weighing approximately 38-25 pounds, it remains towable by many SUVs and light trucks, which has helped make it a favorite among couples and weekend travelers. Starting just inside the entry door, you'll find a well-organized control center. The air conditioner now uses a thermostat-based control system, making temperature adjustments much easier and more precise. Nearby are the interior and exterior light switches, awning controls, slide-out controls, and the removable Bluetooth speaker. The speaker sits in a charging dock while traveling and can easily be removed and taken outside to your campsite, picnic area, or beach setup. One of the smartest features of this floor plan is its accessibility with the slide closed. Whether you're stopping for a quick lunch, spending a night on the road, or preparing for a trip in your driveway, you can comfortably reach the refrigerator, bathroom, kitchen, and bed without extending the slide. Moving into the rear bathroom, you'll immediately notice how much space this layout provides. The bathroom stretches across the entire width of the trailer, creating a surprisingly open feel. There's a large shower with a skylight overhead for extra headroom and natural light, along with a roof vent for improved airflow. Storage is plentiful thanks to the vanity, medicine cabinet, rear storage compartments, and additional shelving. Multiple towel hooks add convenience, making the space practical for longer camping trips. The kitchen is one of the standout features of the 190RBS. A large stainless steel sink is paired with a high-rise faucet and pull-out sprayer. When the sink cover is in place, you gain even more usable countertop space. For a trailer this size, the amount of kitchen workspace is extremely impressive. Multiple drawers and lower cabinets provide excellent storage for cookware, dishes, pots, and pans. Above the counter sits a convection microwave that also functions as an air fryer, adding versatility for meal preparation. The centrally located furnace helps distribute heat evenly throughout the coach, while the air conditioner is positioned for efficient cooling. A 2-burner cooktop completes the cooking area and can be covered when extra prep space is needed. Across from the kitchen is a large 12-volt refrigerator that provides the same type of food storage capacity often found in much larger trailers. Combined with the 400-watt solar package, it offers excellent flexibility for extended camping adventures. The furnace controls are conveniently mounted nearby for quick operation and temperature adjustments whenever needed. The spacious dinette serves multiple purposes. It's comfortable for dining, relaxing, or working during the day, and it easily converts into a double bed for guests at night. Its generous size also allows it to function almost like a lounge area, making it one of the most versatile spaces in the trailer. The TV mounting location sits directly across from the dinette, providing excellent viewing angles whether you're sitting at the table or relaxing in bed. The setup is already prepared for a television installation, allowing owners to customize the entertainment system to their preferences. One of the most unique features of this Apex Nano is the Stargazer rear opening. Combined with the large surrounding windows, it fills the interior with natural light and creates exceptional airflow. A built-in bug screen allows fresh air to circulate while keeping insects outside, while a blackout shade provides privacy and sun control when needed. Together with the opposing windows and roof ventilation system, the Stargazer design helps cool the trailer naturally and creates an open, airy atmosphere throughout the living space. The bedroom offers a comfortable sleeping area with USB charging ports and 120-volt outlets on both sides of the bed. Wardrobe storage with removable shelving allows flexibility for hanging clothes or organizing gear. Overhead cabinets provide additional storage, while the large front windshield brings in abundant natural light and makes the room feel significantly larger than its actual footprint. Additional drawers and storage compartments help maximize organization without sacrificing floor space. Heading outside, the Apex Nano continues to impress. The large power awning extends nearly the full length of the trailer, creating an excellent outdoor living area. MOR-ride stable entry steps provide secure footing on uneven terrain, while the fold-away grab handle makes entering and exiting safer and more comfortable. LED awning lighting runs the full length of the coach, helping illuminate the campsite after dark. The alloy wheels and quality tires contribute to both appearance and towing stability, while keeping maintenance requirements low. The outdoor kitchen setup includes a removable rail-mounted griddle system. The mounting table can also function as a serving station or outdoor table, giving campers multiple ways to use the space depending on the situation. Up front, you'll find large pass-through storage, oversized stabilizer jacks, integrated front cap LED lighting, and room for multiple battery configurations. The battery disconnect switch is positioned nearby for convenient storage management. At the tongue area, dual propane tanks come standard, while the power tongue jack makes hitching and leveling significantly easier, especially when using a weight distribution system. Construction quality is another major highlight. The Apex Nano uses Azdel composite sidewall construction behind the fiberglass exterior, eliminating wood in the sidewalls and helping improve durability, moisture resistance, and long-term performance. The water system includes a tankless water heater and a large freshwater capacity that supports extended camping without constant refilling. At the rear utility station, you'll find black and gray tank connections, an exterior shower with hot and cold water, a 30-amp power hookup, black tank flush connection, cable and satellite inputs, and backup camera preparation. The exterior slide-out expands the interior dramatically when deployed, yet the trailer remains fully functional when closed, which is one of this floor plan's biggest advantages. Finally, the freshwater fill station makes loading onboard water simple and convenient before heading out on your next adventure. That wraps up our tour of the 2026 Coachmen Apex Nano 190RBS. Thanks for watching RVenture Life, and we'll see you in the next RV walkthrough.